like this. Ninth term is 8. Okay, third term is 4, ninth term is minus 8. So then they're asking which term will be 0. AN should come 0 means which term? Understand the question, okay? Now third term. Third term means A plus 2D because n minus 1 into D is 4. Ninth term means A plus 8D. Okay, n minus 1 into D minus 8. Now you should solve, that's all. If you solve, you get this cancel. So what you will get? Minus 6D you will get. And 4 plus 2 you will get 12. So D is equal to minus 2 will come. Okay, D is equal to minus 2 is the answer. After that, substitute in one of the equation. Keep this as a first equation. Keep this as second equation. Substitute D as, substitute D is equal to minus 2 in first equation. You should write like this. So A plus 2 into minus D is equal to 4. So A minus 4 is, okay. What is A? You should calculate. What is A now? 4. A is equal to how much?
8.
8. That's all. After that, now you check N. What is N? You should calculate. AN is equal to 0. 0 should come. So N we don't know. A plus N minus 1 into D. The answer should be 0. The N, which term will become 0 means that answer is 0. N you have to calculate. That only you should understand carefully. N has to be calculated. Okay. So D. What is D? D is minus 2 is equal to 0. So bring this minus 8 this side. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So N minus 1 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2, which is equal to 4. So N is equal to 5. So what is my conclusion statement? Fifth term of AP is equal to 0. Like this, if you write only, you know that you understood the concept. Okay, that's all. Now go to 10th sum. 10th sum, somebody else read.
Rohan will read.
Rohan is reading. Okay, read Rohan.
You should tell the page number, ma'am. Page number 106. 10th sum. Exercise 5.2.
5.2. Okay.
10th sum. The 17th term of an AP. The 17th term of an AP. Exceeds
17th term of AP
exceeds its 10th term by 7.
So 10th term by 7.
7.
The meaning is A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. The meaning is this.
Find the common difference.
Find the common difference.
Common
so
difference.
T should be calculated. Question. Okay. Bigger. So much bigger. How much bigger means 7. So this is the question is given in the form of a statement. Okay. Now you substitute. A plus 16D minus bracket is important, children, because minus sign. I told you minus sign is like a corona. Be careful with the mask. So that diagram, this bracket is very important. A plus 16D minus into plus minus into plus minus 9D equal to 0. So in that A get cancelled. 16 minus 9, 7D. 7D is equal to 7. 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 1. Okay, like this. Now 12th sum. 12th sum is also a little difficult. Let's go 12th sum. Who's going to read 12th sum? Somebody else who did not read so far?
Ma'am, I will read now.
Who is that? Varsha. Yeah, Varsha never reads. Let her allow her to read. Others keep quiet. Not 11, 12, 12 you read. 12.
Two APs have the same common difference. The difference
two APs are there, ma. Wait. 2 APs are there. Understand the question. 2 APs are there. Common difference is same. Both D only. Okay.
The difference between their 100 terms is 100.
100th term of one AP, 100th term of another AP will be 100. So, what you have to find out?
What is the difference between their 1000 term?
So, thousands term, A1000 minus A1000 you should calculate. Here, two different AP, so I'll put A dash. See here, A100, A100th term of one AP and 100th term of another AP. To know the difference, I'll put this dash. Okay. 100th term of one AP, 100th term of another AP is equal to 100. This is what the question given. And common difference is same, but A is different. So A dash we will be using. Okay. Now A, D is same. Now 100th term. What is the formula for nth term? What is the formula for nth term?
AN is equal
A
to
plus
A
N minus 1
plus
into D.
Equal to A plus N minus
N
1.
minus 1 into D.
Here A plus 99D. Okay. A plus 99D. Now here what will happen? A is different, children, so I will put A dash. A dash plus 99D. D is same, so I am putting D. Okay. D, both the D's are same. But A, one is A, another one is A dash. They are not same. Okay. So A is different. So only I'm putting A dash. D is same. So only I'm using D only for both. Is equal to 100. Now solve this, you get the answer. A plus 99D. Every sum you should practice, ma. Gina ma'am, I've done this sum. Don't leave it. Okay, this I know, ma'am. While ma'am was teaching, I will understand. So I'll not practice like that. You should not think. You should only practice again. Same sum you should practice again two times every sum. Then only you can do. I cancel this. That is wrong.
Yes.
You cannot cancel.
It's different
You
now.
cannot cancel. You can cancel only D. Yeah. Your A is there. Your A dash is there. You cannot cancel. You can cancel only this two. Same. So A minus A dash is not same. So keep it like this only and then do this. And then go to the question. A dash is 100. Go to 1000th term now. Go to 1000th term. 1000th term, the difference of 1000th term of one AP and different another AP, two APs. One AP's 1000th term and another AP's 1000th term will be also, what is the answer? Will be also what? You need to calculate this. Question is to find this, to find. Correct, no? Okay, now you put 1000 means A plus 999D. And then here A dash plus 999D. Okay, so A plus 999D minus A dash minus 999D. Again, this get cancelled. So finally, which is standing with us is only this. That has been already been found here in the first equation. So the final answer is also 100. Okay, A minus A dash is also 100. And 1000th term difference is also 100. This answer also became 100. I'll repeat. The question gives, I'll repeat, wait, listen carefully. There are two APs. Okay, common difference is same. But first term is different. So only I'm using A dash. D, I'm using same D. Now, difference between the 100th term is 100. Difference, this is given. This is given in the question. Difference between 100th term is 100. Given in the question. So, A plus 99D and A dash will become A dash plus 99D will come. So, this is given. So, I'm substituting. When I'm substituting A dash will come. Okay? It's 100. It's raining heavily. That's why we are losing the connectivity, I think. Okay? A dash is equal to 100. Then again go back to 1000th term. To do 1000th term again, A is same. A plus 999D minus A dash plus 999D. Again remove the bracket, you get answer A minus A dash. A minus A dash is already been found 100. So each sum you practice again. You go, when you're after evening, after taking rest, when you start with mathematics, so now 1 hour mathematics is important, right? That time, practice the same sum what Gina ma'am taught, okay? Now I think we'll do 13, 14 sum, we'll stop up because it's raining, connectivity is getting stopped. Shall we
Okay,
stop?
stop, ma'am.
Or we'll do 13th and 14th sum.
You are
Hello?
Yeah, we
According to
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me go back and see. I am real. It's real number. Yes, only their difference. Yes, correct. The difference of the first term and last term. You go back to the question and check and then do the sum. It will be easy. Okay. Now, shall we do 13th sum? Who's going to dictate 13th sum? I can't hear anything. Something they told here to. Yeah. Now, read.
How many three-digit?
The three-digit number. The three-digit number. Three-digit.
How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7?
How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? It's very important question, children. Very important question. Please practice every sum again and again. How many three-digit numbers are there? How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Divisible by 7. So, three-digit, smallest three-digit number is 100. Listen carefully. Smallest three-digit number is 100. Okay. So check whether 100 is divisible or not. Okay, 101. Now when I divide by 7, I get 30. If it is 5 means it is exactly divisible. So I will make it as 5. So start from 105. 105 is divisible because you go to rough column and you check. 105 is divisible. Then add 7. 112 is divisible. Keep on add 777 and come. Okay, don't add fully, it will take long time. Last number we'll calculate. Now same 1000 like that. Last number is 999. Smallest three-digit number is 999. So the smallest three-digit number should be divisible. You should divide by 7 and check. 7 ones are 7, 29. 7 fours are 28. 7, no. 7, 2, 7 ones are 7 and 29. 28. Check which number will come in 999.
994, I think.
994, ma'am.
994, because if it is 4 correctly, it will come 142. So 994 I will write. So you have to check in your rough column. You should check and come back here. So this is the first term. First term is A0. Common difference is 7. And AN is equal to 994. So what could be, how many numbers are there? That means N has to be calculated. You have to calculate N. Okay, how will you calculate N? Same formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, which is equal to 994. If you substitute, you will get the answer. Okay, 105 plus N minus 1 into D is 7, 994. So bring this 105 that side first. So what you will get? 994 minus 105. What is 994 minus 105?
780.
889. 889.
889. Correct. Now again bring the 7 this side.
Ma'am, how ma'am? You already 100 will go, no ma'am. It's going to be
105, no ma. No, you cancel here, it will become 8. 14 minus 5 and 9. 8 is there, 9 minus 1, 8. Correct. 8, 8, 9. Okay, she forgot it. Corona, now all this will happen. Okay.
N minus 1 is equal to 117. 117. ma'am.
Very good. 127. 127 because 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 63. So N is equal to 127 plus 1. N is equal to 128. So 128. So at last you should write there are 128 numbers are divisible. 3-digit divisible by 7. You should write like that. Ending statement is important. Okay, it's a very, very important question. There is an example sum also like this. Now you practice that example sum also, you will know better. Okay. Yeah. Now you have to practice. What are all the sums you will practice now? What all will come in homework? 11th sum will come. Okay. Then
14, 15, 16.
11th,
14, 15.
14,
16.
14, 15.
16 is
You have to study for test, no? 15 will stop.
16 is also there.
Okay, all example sums, all learn for the tomorrow's test, all example sums and exercise, first exercise, second exercise till 15. Okay, till 15 sum, that's all. Learn for the test, tomorrow's test, okay? You be prepared for any test, written test or Google test, okay? Thank you, children. Let's go to sleep
Let's stop.
and evening you get up and study. Evening,
Yes, ma'am.